हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 3.2 सी इनडेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन के एक्सरसाइज 3.2 सी दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 से इस वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करते हैं। इसके पहले के वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 तक कंप्लीट किया है। सो द क्वेश्चंस आर बेस्ड ऑन दिस टाइप दैट इज पी एक्स प्लस क्यू अपॉन रूट ऑफ ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी। न्यूमरेटर पी एक्स प्लस क्यू वी एक्सप्रेस एज, इसको हम ऐसे एक्सप्रेस करना है ए इज कांस्टेंट विच यू हैव टू फाइंड डी डी एक्स ऑफ ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी प्लस बी। So constant a and b can be find by comparing the coefficient of x and constant term. Then we will have to use f dash of x upon root fx, that is equal to 2 root fx plus c. So let us start with question number 5. 7x plus 3 root of this 7x plus 3, that is px plus q, which is equal to a into d dx of 3 plus 2x minus x square and plus constant b. Here derivative will be what? 2 and minus 2x, a into 2 minus 2x plus b. 7x plus 3, simplify it, minus 2ax, 2a plus b. Here 7x plus 3. Now compare the coefficient, that is minus 2a. Coefficient of x minus 2a, and here coefficient of x is 7. So minus 2a is equal to 7. Therefore a is equal to minus 7 upon 2, and constant, that is 2a plus b, we equate with 3. So it is 2a plus b is equal to 3. 2a plus b is equal to 3. Therefore 2 times minus 7 upon 2, which is a, minus 7 upon 2 is a, plus b is equal to 3. Now this 2 is getting cancelled, so b will be equal to 10. b is equal to 3 plus 7, it gives 10. Now a is minus 7 upon 2 and b is equal to 10. After getting constants, we write 7x plus 3 is equal to a into 7x plus 3, it is equal to a. a is what? Minus 7 upon 2 into d dx of is 2 minus 2x plus b. b is 10. This is our numerator, 7x plus 3. Now it is integral I is equal to, see here, integral I is equal to, in place of 7x plus 3 we write I is equal to 7x plus 3, will write here minus 7 by 2, 2 minus 2x. 2 minus 2x is derivative of this, it is 2 minus 2x, and plus b. Plus b is what? 10. Separate the integral. So if we separate it, minus 7 upon 2 integral 2 minus 2x upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square dx plus this 10 constant integral dx upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square. It is f dash of x, इसका डेरिवेटिव ये है 2 minus 2x, that is f dash of x upon root fx, which is 2 root fx, minus 7 upon 2 into 2 root fx, that is 2 root of 3 plus 2x minus x square plus 10 into, here coefficient of x square is minus, so ये दो टर्म में से आप माइनस साइन कॉमन लेते, so dx upon root of 3 minus x square minus 2x Here inside the bracket we add half of the coefficient of x, that is 1 square. Now this 2 is getting cancelled, so that it is minus 7 root of 3 plus 2x minus x square 10 integral dx upon square root of 3 minus x square minus 2x. Half coefficient of x is 1, so 1 square. So 1 we add and subtract over here, minus 7 root of 3 plus 2x minus x square plus 10 integral dx upon square root of minus of minus 1, here it will be plus 3 and 3 plus 1 it is 4 and this is x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. Now this integral is of the form dx upon root of a square minus x square. So its integration is what? Sine inverse of x upon a. Integral dx upon root of a square minus x square minus 7 root of 3 plus 2x minus x square 10 sine inverse of x upon a. So a square minus x square, a square means what? 2 square minus x minus 1 square. So x upon a, that is 2, and plus c will be the answer of this question. Question number 6 is what? Root of x minus 7 upon x minus 9. So it is not of the form px plus q upon root of ax square plus bx plus c. So हम उस फॉर्म में ला सकते हैं if multiply by root of x minus 7 to numerator and denominator. So first we multiply numerator and denominator inside the integrand by x minus 7, root of x minus 7. So a root of x minus 7 into root of x minus 7 upon square root of x minus 9 into x minus 7 dx. Square root will be removed, x minus 7 it is numerator, denominator square root of multiplication x square minus 16x and plus 63. अभी it is of the form dx px plus q upon root of ax square plus bx plus c. So this px plus q will write as a into d dx of this. So x minus 7 it is equal to a into d dx of x square minus 16x plus 63 and plus b. Then a and b we find by equating the coefficients of like terms. So here it is x minus 7 a into 2x minus 16, constant derivative will be 0. Here it is minus 16 and 2x plus b. Now equate the coefficients 2a. So x minus 7 it is equal to 2ax. Here minus 16a plus b. Then here 2a is the coefficient of x and here coefficient of x is 1. So therefore 2a it is equal to 1. That means a is 1 by 2. Minus 16a plus b is constant and that is equal to minus 7. But minus 16a, a is what? 1 by 2 plus b, which is minus 7. This is 8. After cancelling it, 8 it is. So b is equal to 8 plus minus 7, that is 1. So we will be getting b is equal to 1, a is equal to 1 by 2, then integral I will be equal to, integral I is equal to a into, that is a is what, 1 by 2 into 2x minus 16 plus b. So plus b is what, 1 upon root of x square minus 16x plus 63. Now separate it. It is separating 1 by 2 integral 2x minus 16 upon root of x square minus 16x plus 63 dx plus integral dx upon root of x square minus 16x plus 63. Now the first integral is f dash of x upon root fx, so which is 2 root fx. So this will be integral I is equal to 1 by 2 and 2 root fx. So 2 root fx means what? X square minus 16x plus 63 plus integral dx upon root of x square minus 16x, which is the second integral, plus 63. Now this 2 is getting cancelled. Abhi I is equal to root of x square minus 16x plus 63 plus second integral is integral dx upon root of x square minus 16x. So half coefficient of x, that is 8 square 64, we add and subtract over here. So if we add 64 and subtract 64, so it gives us 64 minus 1. You can write 64 minus 1, that is equal to what? 63. And this x square minus 16x plus 64, that is square of, I is equal to root of x square minus 16x plus 63 plus dx upon root of, so it is square of x plus x minus 8. So x minus 8 whole square, that is x square minus 16x plus 64 minus 1, and it is, the integral is what? Dx upon x square root of x square minus a square. It is log of, so integral I is equal to root of x square minus 16x plus 63 plus log of x minus 8 plus root of this x minus 8 square minus 1 matlab ye. So it is simplifying this you will get this. So that means it is of this form, x square minus a square form. But if we simplify it, we will get this x square minus 16x plus 63. So here we write x square minus 16x plus 63 and plus constant of integration c. So this is the answer. So we will write it answer in proper form. So answer of this question is I is equal to root of x square minus 16x plus 63 plus log of x minus 8 root of x square minus 63 x square minus 16x plus 63 plus c. This is the answer. Question number 7, root of 9 minus x upon x dx. So again we simplify it, is we will write it numerator in the form px plus q form. So multiply numerator and denominator by root of 9 minus x inside the integrand. So root of 9 minus x upon x into square root of 9 minus x root of 9 minus x into dx. Now this square root will be removed, that is 9 minus x it is, upon root of x into 9 minus x, which is 9x minus x square dx. Now px plus q ये फॉर्म है root of ax square plus bx plus c. So px plus q means 9 minus x a into d dx of 9x minus x square plus b, which is a into 9 minus 2x plus b. Derivative of this 9 and minus 2x, a into, which is minus 2a x plus 9a plus b, and here 9 minus x. So we compare the coefficients of x and constant terms. Here coefficient of x is minus 1, therefore minus 2a, it is equal to minus 1 coefficient of x. So a is 1 by 2, a is equal to 1 by 2, and constant term 9a plus b, here 9a plus b is a constant term, here it is 9, but a is 1 by 2, so 9 into 1 by 2 plus b, it is equal to 9. So our b is equal to 9 minus 9 by 2, which is 9 by 2 b. After getting a and b, write the integral I is equal to numerator 9 minus x. Write it in place of this. It is a into means what? 1 by 2 into d dx of 9x minus x square plus b, that is 9 by 2, upon root of 9x minus x square dx. इसको सेपरेट करना है आपको. 1 by 2 constant integral d dx of this. So d dx of 9x minus x square upon root of 9x minus x square dx. 9 by 2 integral dx upon root of 9x minus x square. F dash of x upon root fx, it is 2 root fx integral. So 1 by 2 into 2 root of 9x, fx means this, so 9x minus x square plus 9 by 2 integral dx upon root of 9x minus x square. अभी हमको इसको इवेल्युएट करना है. So this is getting cancelled and it is root of 9x minus x square. So we evaluate this integral. Root of 9x minus x square plus 9 by 2 integral dx upon root of, coefficient of x square is minus, so we'll take minus sign, x square minus 9x, and here inside the bracket we add and subtract half the coefficient of x, 9 by 2 square, 81 by 4, add and subtract, so that I is equal to 9 root of 9x minus x square 9 by 2 integral dx upon root of, we add and subtract x square 9x, half coefficient is 9 by 2 and its square 81 by 4. Subtract 81 by 4. So that comfortably we'll write here. The solution will be I is equal to root of 9x minus x square plus 9 by 2 integral dx upon रूट ऑफ, यहाँ तक जो है एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 9x प्लस 81 and this minus of minus 81 will be plus 81. So right is 81 upon 4 plus and minus, ये it is a square of x minus 9 by 2. It is a square of x minus 9 by 2. Now our integral is of the form dx upon root of a square minus x square, root of 9x minus x square plus 9 by 2. Now dx upon root of, this is 9 by 2 whole square minus x minus 9 by 2 square. A square minus x square, that is sine inverse of x upon a, root of a square minus x square, root of 9x minus x square plus 9 by 2 into sine inverse of x minus 9 by 2 is x and a is what, 9 by 2 plus c. So the last answer we can write as I is equal to root of 9x minus x square plus 9 by 2 sine inverse of, it is 2x minus 9, 2x minus 9 and upon 2 and this 9 by 2. So finally it will be 9 only plus c. This is the last answer, that is root of 9x minus x square 9 by 2 sine inverse of 2x minus 9 upon 9. After simplifying this, 2x minus 9 upon 2 and 9 by 2. So 2 is getting cancelled. Question number 8. In this integral 3 cos x 4 sin square 4 sin x minus 1. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So substitute t is equal to sin x, so that this will be derivative of that is dt. So t is equal to sin x, so dt will be equal to cos x into dx. dt by dx is cos x, so dt is cos x dx. Cos x dx will write dt, so that integral I is equal to 3 dt cos x dx. Cos x dx is dt upon 4 t square sin x. Sin x is t square plus 4t minus 1. Now 3 by 4 we can write outside the integral, 3 by 4 integral dt upon 4 taking common from the denominator, t square minus plus t minus 1 by 4. Then it is dx upon x square plus ax square plus bx plus c. Method of completing square, half the coefficient of t is 1 by 2 and its square we add and subtract. So dt upon t square, dt upon t square, t square plus t plus half of this is 1 by 2 and its square is 1 by 4, add and subtract. Now I is equal to 3 by 4 integral dt upon, now this is t square plus t plus 1 by 4 is t plus 1 by 2 whole square. So it is t plus 1 by 2 whole square, and minus 1 by 4 is minus 2 by 4. 2 by 4. So it is 3 by 4 integral dt upon t plus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2, see, after cancelling this it is 1 by 2, but 1 by 2 will write as what? 1 by root 2 square. Now it is of the form dx upon x square minus a square. We know formula dx upon x square minus a square, which is 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a. So it is 3 by 4, 1 by 2a, 2 into a is what? 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2 is a log of x minus a, t plus 1 by 2 minus a, which is 1 upon root 2 upon t plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2a, we wrote 1 upon 2a, a is 1 by root 2. So log of x minus a, log of x minus a, x is t plus 1 by 2 upon x plus a. So it is 1 by root 2 plus c. Now this is getting cancelled and it is root 2 it is. So this will be 3 by 4 root 2 log of 2t plus 1, 2t plus 1 upon 2. Okay, 2t plus 1 upon 2, and if you multiply numerator by 2 and denominator also by 2, so it will be 2t and 1, and this is 2 upon root 2 is minus root 2, we can write. Here we multiply by 2, 2t plus 1 plus 2 is multiplied over here, 2 upon root 2 will give us root 2 plus c. Now t is what? T is sin x. So our integral is equal to 3 upon 4 root 2 log of 2, t is sin x, so 2 sin x plus 1 minus root 2 upon 2 sin x plus 1 plus root 2 plus c will be the answer. So this will be the answer, that 3 by 4 root 2 log of 2 sin x plus 1 minus root 2, 2 sin x plus 1 plus root 2 plus c. Question number 9, square root, the whole square root is there, e raised to power 3x and minus e raised to power 2x. समझो e raised to power 2x कॉमन लिया यहाँ से न्यूमरेटर से. So what you will get? Integral root of, we are taking e raised to power 2x common. So it is e raised to power 2x into e raised to power x, यहाँ से कॉमन लिया, e raised to power 3x it is minus 1 upon e raised to power x plus 1 dx. Now this e raised to power 2x inside the square root, it is e raised to power x. It is integral e raised to power x and root of e raised to power x minus 1 upon e raised to power x plus 1 dx. It is derivative of e raised to power x, so therefore we put t is equal to e raised to power x. So dt is equal to e raised to power x dx. Now this e raised to power x into dx, that is equal to dt. So I is equal to integral root of t minus 1 upon t plus 1 dt. E raised to power x into dx is dt, root of t minus 1 upon t plus 1. Now we multiply numerator and denominator by root of t minus 1. So integral I is equal to root of t minus 1 into root of t minus 1. Denominator is root of t plus 1 into root of t minus 1 multiplied by t minus 1 root, which is this t minus 1 root t minus 1, that is t minus 1 only, it is t minus 1 and upon root of a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, t square minus 1 dt. Now this t minus 1 we will write as, see, derivative of t square minus 1 is 2t. So derivative of t square minus 1 is 2t. So multiply and divide by 2. It is 2t upon root of t square minus 1, okay, and minus dt, minus, see, we will separate it, it is t dt upon root of t square minus 1 multiplied and minus integral dt upon root of t square minus 1. So we multiply and divide by 2. So it is, because derivative of t square minus 1 is 2t. So it is of the form f dash of x upon root fx, and minus 1 upon this, minus integral dt upon root of t square minus 1, which is 1 by 2, 2 root of t square minus 1, minus integral dx upon root of x square minus a square. It is log of x plus, that is t plus root of x square minus a square, that is t square minus 1 plus c. This 2 is getting cancelled, so that our integral I is equal to root of t. T is e raised to power x. Substitution is this, t is e raised to power x. So it will be e raised to power 2x minus 1 minus log of t, t is e raised to power x plus root of t square is e raised to power 2x, e raised to power 2x minus 1 plus c. So that is the answer of this integral.